Viggle AI tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore Viggle AI. For this, just simply open up the official website, click on this option of join the beta, and this is where it will take you on the Discord. Join up any of the room over here, and we would require a prompt in order to generate videos. For that, we will click on prompt over here. After that, select any of the prompt of your choice. Suppose I want to do this one, and for that I will just select this one and click on this option of copy this particular prompt, and it would be copied successfully. After that, click on OK, then open up Discord group again, and in the group you would have to type slash, then select the option of animate. Now upload any of the image of yours, and in the prompt motion section paste the prompt that we just copied. In the background section, just select the option of green or white according to your needs and requirements, and after that in the fine tune select on and just hit enter. After that, you would be able to create a VFX video of yours for the image that you just uploaded. And this is how easy it is to use Viggle AI. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.